Alexandria.
Are these good? 6 or 7 bunches, okay? Hello, Golem.
Isabel.
Any news?
Yes, but I don't know if it is good or bad.
Well, out with it then.
Orich is coming here, but their ship sailed into an ambush on their way. I heard that it was some pirates who attacked them. They managed to defeat them, though. But it turns out the brother of the guy they killed is dangerous and a well-known outlaw called Antoine.
Poseidon. Let's keep this between us for now.
I doubt it'll stay that way. Throughout their route, every port they stopped at, people talk about how Baba Rich made that man hang like he was a flag on his ship.
What is this? Savages! Such ferocity! May the Lord curse all the pirates out there!
We have to deal with both the pirates, as well as these perverted men. Is there nobody left anymore to restore order to the sea? Aren't you going to send a hero to rid these infested waters of all these outlaws, O Allah?
It's just what I needed. And now we finally have one. We need to go faster. Nico. Why is the boat so loaded? The nemesis of the sea, Ishaq Aha. All your goods. All of it belongs to the fish now. If I get caught in the storm, I can't get to Kalymnos in time.